Welcome back to our home decor channel where beauty meets creativity. Today's journey takes us into the heart of nature as we explore nature-inspired crafts. Imagine creating stunning eco-friendly showpieces using twigs, logs, peanut shells, walnut shells, seashells, and leaves, materials you can find all around you. These crafts not only bring rustic charm and elegance into your space but also allow you to stay connected with the art in a creative way. Let's begin with something simple and beautiful. Sticks and twigs. You can collect straight dry sticks from your backyard or nearby park. Once cleaned and trimmed, they can be transformed into photo frames, wall art, or even miniature fences for indoor decor pieces. Bind them using jute rope or hot glue and give them a rustic paint wash for added charm. You can also make posters, pen holders, or centerpieces spray using layered twigs. It's minimalist yet elegant. Next up, wood logs. Three slices of wooden logs can be transformed into tabletop decorations, tea light candles holders, or even nameplate boards. The circular grain of a log looks naturally beautiful and doesn't need much enhancement. Just sand the surface, coat it with varnish, or leave it raw for the authentic feel. For larger logs, hollow out a portion and use it as a planter. Add succulents or herbs for beautiful living display. You can even stake small logs in patterns to create wall art or sculptures. Now, let's travel to the seashore. Seashells bring a magical coastal vibe. Gather different shapes and sizes of shells and use them to create mirror frames, wind chimes, or decorative trays. Glue them on whole picture frames to give them a beachy makeover. Tiny shells can be filled into glass jars or hung with threads to make shell curtains or mobiles for balconies and porches. Add fairy light and watch the magic happen. Let's talk about something small but incredibly creative, peanuts and walnut shells. These little shells are perfect for miniature and dermas. Walnut shells, when split evenly, can be turned into tiny boats, cradles, or even Christmas ornaments. Paint the inside gold or silver and they become luxe showpieces. Peanut shells, on the other hand, are great for making mini animals, flowers, or even birds. Just glue them onto canvas, add a touch of paint, and your nature ball art is ready. Leaves are nature's own artwork. Press and dry different leaves and use them in a resin art, coasters, or frames. You can also use large leaves to create leaf balls by layering and sealing them with glue. With some acrylic paint, transform the dried leaves into colorful butterflies or wall murals. Leaves also work beautifully in natural garlands, candle wraps, and gift tags. Nature is the greatest artist, and with just a little creativity, you can bring its magic into your home. Whether it's a shell from a beach walk, a twig from a morning stroll, or a walnut from your kitchen, you can turn it into something memorable. These nature inspired crafts are not only budget friendly and sustainable, but they also add a personal, soulful touch to your home decor. So, gather your materials, unleash your imagination, and let the beauty of nature fill your space. And remember, this isn't just about craft, it's about mindfulness. Crafting with nature slows us down in a fast paced world. It teaches patience, appreciation, and beauty in simplicity. So, the next time you go for a walk, look around. Your next masterpiece could be lying quietly beneath your feet. Stay inspired, stay grounded, and keep creating.